In this video, we're going to be discussing installing CheckMate 14 version 2023. Now, actually, we're going to be discussing more about uninstalling it than installing it. So the first thing you want to do is fire up CheckMate, and on the setup ribbon at the very right-hand end, we want to select About CheckMate. And what you want to do is you want to look at the second line and see what version of CheckMate 14 you're actually running. You can see I'm running 1404. But what we're looking for is a magic number of 1395. Okay, you got to remember that number, 1395. If you're running something older than 1395, so that would be a lower number, okay, then what you would do, we would quit out of CheckMate, of course, but I'm just going to minimize it right now. So if we're running 1395 or lower, which is probably mostly everybody, you're going to go into your control panel and go to Programs and Features, and you're going to look for CheckMate for SolidWorks 64, select it, and go up here and say Uninstall. And that's how you're going to go and uninstall CheckMate 14 if you're using a version older than that. Now, if you're using a version that's newer than 1395, which is like what my case is, 1404, then we don't go into the control panel at all. We go into the Start menu, and in the Start menu, there's a folder called CheckMate for SolidWorks. And if we scroll down inside of that folder, down towards the bottom, you'll see Uninstall CheckMate. So if you have 1395 or newer, you're going to uninstall CheckMate using this and not using the programs and features in the control panel. You're going to want to use this. And once that's done, from now on in the future, every point afterwards, now that you've got the 2023 release installed, you'll always come in here to uninstall it. You'll never have to go into the control panel ever again. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.